How to create a group chat on Messenger. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on this pen like button in the top right corner, and then under the search tab you can see the create a new group. So you have to click on the create a new group, then you can choose any of the people that you want to add. In my case there is only one people, but you can add there is many people in your list, so you can add them. Let's see, you can also search the name of the people. Let's see, I search these people, then you can add them. Then you can and after adding the people you have to click on the next. You can give a group name like anything, and you can give a group name and group chat name, and then you can click on the create in the top right corner, and you can chat with the people that you want. And after that, when you go back, then here you can see the this group chat is created with this group name. So that's basically that how you can create a group chat. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.